not charge people money and then do this to their bike. So we have some house electrical cable here, both the same color. The world's skinniest speaker wire. Homemade fuse holder. And then when the Velcro didn't work, they used some wire ties. I guess they didn't know they make 6.5 adapters for this bike. The speaker is held in with wire tie. Hey, but they were cheaper than us. Night and day difference. So we got a new battery, new wiring, oxygen-free copper, proper gauge, everything soldered, proper adapters so the 6.5 fits with no wire ties.